Making it even. You have to wait. You're not making it even. You're making more holes. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
What are you doing, Naya? Tiger? She's a tiger. Is that your aquarium?
We should make a hill.
Yeah,
No,
that'd be
it's
cool.
Naya's.
That'd be cool, the hill. There's a castle.
You want the hill like in the middle?
On the side.
Huh?
On the side.
On this side?
Yeah.
Okay, let's make a little hill, Naya. There we go. Hold on. Hold on. Let me see. Good. There's a nice hill. There we go. A nice hill. And then you gotta make it steep, like that. Okay, stop. Okay, now let me see. Let's admire her work. Step down. Down. How's that?
Looks good.
Oh, shoot. Nice.
It's okay. We can clean it up later.
Here, get back up here. Okay. Back up here. And we'll do this.
Put your castle inside
No.
there.
Don't touch the rocks anymore. Get all the rocks off. Okay, good. Ready, done. Okay, now we're all done. Are you still taking video?
Naya, hi. Are you excited? Your first pets.
Okay. Maybe I should put one on.
Naya, can you show me your fish? Show it to me. Yep, that fish.
Okay. Cheese.
Oh, cheese? Okay, cheese. Okay, can I see your fish?
Yeah.
I want to see your fish.
This one.
You have an angel
This is-
fish there.
Maybe where the castle is.
It's underneath.
Got it.
And some guppies. Ooh, it's a feisty little one. Few guppies there. And those neon fishes. Fish.